Hi, good day to you all. Good day to everyone. Good day to all my subscribers and my viewers. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to take you through how to become a strategy provider on Deriv Ctrader. How to become a strategy provider on Deriv Ctrader, right? So first of all, you must have an account with Deriv, right? Once you have an account, you can use the same account logins to log in on the Ctrader. I've done this demonstrations on my previous episodes, so you can check it out for that. So once you download the Deriv Ctrader on your desktop or use the website version, you log into the platform, and this is going to be the interface. All right. Yes, I have worked on videos explaining how to navigate your way around, how to use the various features on the Ctrader platform. So for this episode, what we are going to tackle or what we are going to look at is how to become a strategy provider, guys. Yes, so before we delve right into it, if you're new on the channel, make sure you subscribe and then you turn on the notification bell icon, and then make sure to like this video to support me as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Now let's delve right into it. So with the desktop version, I want you to take note of this, that we also have the Deriv Ctrader mobile app. All right. So if you are using the mobile app, you cannot become a strategy provider, or you cannot set up a strategy provider account on the mobile app. You can always and only use the desktop version to do the strategy provider setup, right? So that is your information. Okay, so let's delve right into it. Once we are using the desktop version or the website, there is a section where you see copy on the left corner, on the top left corner of the screen. You're going to see copy as you are seeing on the screen. So you click on copy, then you are going to see the list of various accounts that you have created on the Ctrader platform. Right now, notice you must another info you must take notice of is you can create up to a maximum of 5 Ctrader accounts. You can create up to a maximum of 5 Ctrader accounts. All right, and each of these 5 different accounts, you can use 4 of them to become a strategy provider, but I may say it's not necessary. All right, so you would probably want to use one, okay, for providing a strategy. All right, good. Then you will need an additional account. So when you want to become a strategy provider, you will need 2 accounts. One is for becoming the strategy, and then the other is to um, is for accepting the strategy fee or the performance fee. All right, I'll talk about it as we go through the process. Okay, so for these accounts that I have, they are all strategy providers. All right, so I'm going to use this very account. I've just named them because I've just named them to differentiate. All right, yes, you can. If you haven't named them, you are only going to see the account numbers. All right, you only see the account numbers and then the amount or the account balance. Okay, good. So I'm going to use this one to do the demonstration on how to become a strategy provider. So guys, if you want to become a strategy provider, right beside your account number on the left panel of the screen, right beside the account number, you're going to see these 3 dots. Okay, you're going to see these 3 dots. So you click on the 3 dots, then you're going to see become a strategy provider and then create investor access link. So we want to look at how to become a strategy provider. Okay, so you click on that. Once you click on that, you will have a pop-up menu where you have to fill in the details. Okay, so first of all, you would have the first section where you have to enter your strategy name. Okay, so maybe the name of my strategy name is for example, okay, for example, Deriv. I'm just citing an example, Deriv Professor. Okay, so that is my strategy name for this demonstration. So you input your strategy name there because that's what copiers or or investors are going to see on the platform. Okay, then we have conditions. Under the conditions, we have the minimum investment. You put the minimum investment or minimum amount people can use in copying you. All right, so maybe people can use up to maybe $200 to copy me. Sorry, $200 or maybe $150. So you as a strategy provider, you have to set the amount that investors can use in copy you based on your strategy, based on the minimum amount that is required to copy your trades. You have to set that. Then we have performance fee. Now the performance fee is the amount you charge, is the amount you as a strategy provider charges on the trades that they are going to copy, or on the profits that you are going to make for them. All right, so maybe strategy fee you can input like maybe 30%, 35%. It depends on you, the individual. All right, yes. So, but mostly I've seen 30, maybe 35, 40, or maybe 25, 20. It depends on you. All right, guys, it depends on you how much you want to set. Maybe you want to set 30%, for instance. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm putting in 30%. So it means that per every profit that I make for those copying me, the system is going to pay me 30% of that as a performance fee. All right, so that is the explanations for that. Then we have management fee. Mostly people take zero management fee, but for management fee it is charged on a yearly basis on the accounts that you are, it's just like you are managing their account and you are trading on their behalf, without you losing the account. All right, so maybe on a yearly basis there's going to be some management fee, but hardly do I see people charging management fee on the platform. So you can make your own decisions to do that. Then we have volume fee, which is also not really necessary. All right, then we have account for fees. So with the account for fees, you have to get an additional account where your fees will be deposited. All right, so out of I told you can create up to a maximum of 5, so maybe you can create an additional one in addition to the one that you are using for the strategy. Okay, so you are going to select that one to what, when you click on the account fees, you'll be able to have the opportunity to select another account where your commissions will be paid into. The commissions will never be paid into the account that is providing the strategy. It's supposed to be paid into another account. All right, so if you have opened only one account for the strategy, you should open an additional account where you're going to use that to collect your strategy commissions or your strategy fees. Okay, so you have to select that if any of the fees set to. So your account for fees should differ from your strategy account. All right, yes, it should differ from your strategy account. So for all these accounts I have are strategy providers. All right, yes, they are strategy providers, so I can't select them to become the strategy fee. Okay, but it is just for demonstration. So you'd have to select the account for the fees. Once you select that, okay, you the next option is what, allow copying for live. You have the option to select live and then live and demo. So with live and demo, it means that people can copy you with live accounts as well as demo accounts. Okay, so you are going to choose the option you want, that people can either copy you with demo or with live, demo and live. Okay, then the next option is that only people with live accounts can copy your strategy. All right, so you have to make that choice by yourself. Good. Then we have visibility. Okay, so visibility, your strategy will be visible to traders with private links. Okay, with traders with private links means that traders that you only share your private links with can copy you. Traders that you only share your private link can copy you, and you can also choose everyone. And when you choose everyone, it means that everyone who comes onto the Ctrader platform can actually see the name of your strategy and copy you, or can actually search your strategy name and copy you. Okay, so that is it for everyone. Then show positions too. Okay, so with the show positions too, it means that would you like to show your open positions, your open trades to everyone, or only to those who are copying you, that is only to your investors, or you don't want to show it to anyone, including those that are copying you and then those that are not copying you. But per my advice, or if you want to take an advice from me, then the worst you can do is to what? To make it available to only your investors or those that are copying you. For those that are copying you, you should be able to allow them to what? See your open positions. All right. Yeah. So you would have to make that choice. It's only an advice I'm giving you. All right. Then the final part is what? The description. So the description is a message you are going to leave for your copiers or your investors, those that are going to copy you. All right. So you have to leave them a message. This is the only channel where you can communicate with them. So you type in your strategy details, what they can expect from you, and whatsoever. Okay. Yes, it has a limit that you can, or the amount of words that you can actually put here. Okay, so you make sure it should be short, precise, and on point. What you want to communicate to them, maybe your strategy, how your strategy works, and everything. Then you would have some formatting tools. You have some formatting tools on this toolbar. Maybe what you wrote, you want to bold it, you want to italize it, you want to underline it, you want to bullet, you want to align to the left, center, and all those formatting tools are here for you. Okay, all those, you want to add some picture and everything, maybe your font, the style, your font size. You can do all of these editings here at the description section. So this is the final part where you have to communicate your strategy or your ideas to your copiers or your investors. And then the last stage, which is the final stage, is to maybe you want to read the end user license agreement, which I probably you have already read, or like we usually say that people do not normally read terms and conditions. Maybe you are one of them. um, so you can just go ahead, and this is likely to be Deriv terms and conditions. Maybe probably you have read that, right? So the final stage is to click on become a strategy provider. Okay, become a strategy provider. Once you click on that, your strategy has been set up successfully. Your strategy has been set up successfully. Then once your strategy is set up successfully, you are going to see provider. You are going to see provider attached to your account. Okay, you will see a provider attached to your account. Then for your the last thing is, for your strategy to go live, okay, you should have at least one open position within the last 48 hours, at least one open position, and it should be in a positive balance. Your account should be in a positive balance for people to be able to identify your strategy name, or to be able to search your strategy name on the strategy provider list. All right, so that is how to set up a strategy provider account. All right, if you have any questions, if you have any contributions, leave them in the comment section. Overall, guys, just gives me a thumb up. Click on the like button to support me, and then make sure you also turn on the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on all my contents that I share with you. Thank you so much, and I'm going to meet you in my next episode. Peace.